Right, welcome back to the channel. The Range Rover Classic. It's been a while since I've done an update on this, and a lot has happened since I was last on it. Obviously I can't film all of it because I'm at work, and while I'm at work stuff is getting done on it. So I'll give you a quick walk around of how it's looking at the moment. Starting at the front, all this has all been painted now. Inner wings painted, and obviously outer wing seam sealed and painted. Let me put the torch on so you can see. So you can see the majority of the interior is back in it. You pull the carpet up, floor is all painted. See in the back as well, like a brand new car. It's all seam sealed down here, guide coated, ready for flattening down for its top coat. And I'm going to try and film some of the respray process. You'll see all the arches, the inner arches painted as well. Those wheels are not staying on it. I have seen the wheels that are going on it. They look awesome. That'll be a surprise for later. So the boot is full of interior parts, but if we look under there, the boot floor is all in paint as well, and obviously the same around the other side. Oof. See the outer is in guide coat, ready to be flatted back prior to spraying on the base coat. Again, it's all looking nice in there, all as it should be from the factory. It's an awesome job has been done on this. So the inner wing on this side has all been painted as well. So yeah, it is very close to having its outer paint put on, base coat and lacquer, which funny enough, it was the original reason the car came here for. Originally came in for a respray, and it started off as a respray and ended up a full restoration because it was just full of tin worm. So they do the job once and do it right, isn't it? So there we are. That's an update on the Classic. Say when it goes in for paint, which shouldn't be too long from now. I'll try and film some of the process. Obviously I'm not painting it because I'm not a painter, but I'll try and film it being sprayed. Right, until then, I'll see you next time.